Hey guys, I am bringing you another, and this isn't really a sale, but it's a good opportunity because quite a few of you inboxed me, saying you couldn't get the uprights, and naturally is because it was a sale. It was on clearance, meaning when they're gone, they're gone. And since they were on clearance, I don't think those items would be coming back at all. I think they were doing away with those items altogether because they are rolling out new items. So you still can get amazing three-piece uprights though. And I want to show you exactly where they are so you can see this video, see exactly what I'm clicking on so you can find it yourself. You're going to go on Georgia Expo's initial website, right? Then you're going to go up here to pipe and drape. You're going to go all the way down to uprights. Click on that. Then you're going to go down here to three-piece, telescoping, slip collar, three-piece. Click on that. Then when you click on that, you are going to, this is the two-piece and this is the three-piece. You guys know I recommend three-piece. So you will go in three-piece. Click on that. That's going to take you here. Now, it's so many different options to choose from. Pay close attention so you can be sure that you're getting the one you want. I am going to suggest two different kinds to you guys today. And that's really based off of personal preference. If you are shorter and you 6 feet, the 6 feet are relatively a great size, but maybe you want the 5 feet. I don't know. You would select that option from here, but be mindful. The 5 feet only go to 11 feet. So if you perhaps need this drape to 12 feet or 14 feet, you won't be able to do so, which is why I suggest getting the 6 to 14. So you click on 6 to 14. Now, page I'm that's probably because of the camera. So now you would go into traditional top slots. That is the cheapest option. So if you're getting the traditional top slots and you're getting just the standard aluminum, there you go, $74. These are the same ones I have. These are the same ones that I've paid $115 for, and you can get them for $75. If you want the castle top, now be mindful, the next selection is the castle top along with the top slots, meaning this here, the top slot for your second crossbar, along with the castle top, which is here. So you don't have to have the pole sticking up at the top. They're the two options for this particular one. If you want that has both of them up top, just like that, see, it has both options. They are $79.99. And that's still an amazing price. That's an amazing price. But if you just want castle top alone by itself with no slots, and these come with the buttons that I was telling you about. These are the buttons, meaning your fingers won't get jammed and the little, won't get pinched. If you want that and the castle top without slots, now there's no slots on this thing, you can get that for $85.99. This I highly it depends on how you design. I like the slots because it gives you more customization possibilities, but they are about to roll out some new accessories where you really won't need the slots at all. It's just really a personal preference. And they even have the option, but you have to contact these guys, where they can drill the slot for you for $5. So again, you go to 6 to 14. The style, if you want the cheapest style, which is the traditional, and it has no castle top, it just has the slots, but this is a three-piece, 6 to 14 for $74.99. You will not beat this price on any site. Go to the competitor sites. You're going to see $93.99. You're going to see $108.99. You're going to see $114.99. Nowhere will you find this for $74.99 unless it's in China. And then you got to pay for the shipping and all of that other stuff. So I highly suggest you get this unit. If you're looking for like the best price, you're looking for a commercial unit, you're looking for something that is easy to design, is easy to transport, and it gives you added flexibility as far as height and styling and all that. This is what I require. This is not required. This is what I recommend for the uprights. Now, this is only if you're like piecing your parts together. If you need an entire unit, your best thing is just go and get an entire kit. So, and these guys are putting together a kit for the Posh Academy, which would have everything I suggest for a premium backdrop. And guess what? It's a ridiculous price. No one is going to beat this price anywhere. And it comes with crushed drape. So these are some options for you. I made this video specifically for you guys so you can see exactly where to get it. So many of you said I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it. And I get it, because sometimes websites can be confusing, especially if you are in your phone and not on the desktop. Show you exactly where to get it. Go up to pipe and drape tab, click down to uprights, go to 3-piece, and then boom, you're here. Make sure you're on the 2-inch and not the 1.5, because they're a lot smaller and they will not hold that amount of drape. Hope this helped you guys for today. I'm out. I'll see most of you guys on tonight's training. If not, till next time. Bye, guys.